Here's the truth. If you're still using basic ChatGPT prompts, you're already behind. People who understand money-making prompts are sprinting into 2026 stacked. Everyone else is quietly getting poorer. Today, I'm handing you the exact money-making prompt structure that wins every time, so you can win too. The same formula I've used to dominate automation, online sales, and digital products. I don't guess, I don't hope, I pray, and I engineer results. And if you're done playing in the kiddie pool while everyone else swims in cash, then let's go. I'll break down the 6-part money-making prompt formula. These 6 prompt pieces separate broke newbies from the people pulling 6, 7, even 8 figures. You may not always need all 6 of them, but when combined, that's when AI stops being a tool and starts becoming a money-making machine. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tina Dungy, and I'm an entrepreneur and certified AI consultant. I own Tuesday AI Edge, a consulting firm helping small businesses leverage AI. Enough about me because this video is about helping you. So let's start with the first one, which is the task. What do you want it to do? Number 2, context. What does it need to know to do the thing well? Number 3, exemplar. What proven framework should it follow? Number 4, persona. Who should it act like? Number 5, the format. What should the output look like? Number 6, the tone. What vibe should it deliver? When you combine them, AI stops being a tool and becomes a money-making machine. So, let's break this down and start with the task prompt. Do not start with "help me." You need results, not help. Start with money verbs like create, sell, convince, increase, generate. You're the boss, not chat. Chat is your employee. You tell it what to do. Example: write an email that sells my sarcastic AI t-shirt and gets people to click and buy in droves. I need $1 million email. Lazy prompts get lazy people's money. Prompt 2, context. You see, context loads the gun so AI can fire. Example: I'm selling a $12 digital budgeting spreadsheet for single moms who feel overwhelmed. It includes a free tutorial. I need you to write a Facebook ad that explains the value and drives clicks. Now it knows the product, the audience, the problem, and the solution. Now it can close. Prompt number 3, exemplar. You don't just say, write me a sales letter for my product. You say something like, use the PASS framework, which stands for problem, agitate, solution. To write a sales letter for my $79 accounting course for new entrepreneurs. The letter should be so persuasive that it creates millions in sales. If that's the outcome you want, say it. Also, if you've already written a draft, that's even better. Upload it and say, make this 100x better, and include the exact results you want. Prompt number 4, persona. Should act like your top employee. Say, act like Alex Hormozy and write me a killer business plan to increase my plumbing business 100% within the next 90 days. Not only will it deliver, but it will continue to prompt you with additional details it can add. Number 5, format equals structure, clarity, and conversion. If you create a prompt that provides you with 20 pages of information and you only wanted a short paragraph, that's your fault. Tell it to provide you the information in the exact format you want. Example: give me 20 options in bullet format, or provide me with the information in fewer than 100 words. Create it in an email format with 3 paragraphs. You need to be clear and direct about the desired outcome. You can't expect the prompt to give you something if you didn't tell it to do so. Prompt 6 is the tone and sets the emotion. For example, tell Chat, I'm an accountant in the construction industry, and building trust is important in my line of business. Act like the top 1% of all video sales writers in the world, and write me a video sales letter that persuades potential construction clients to contact us. I want to sound competent, likable, and trustworthy. You see, you prompt it on who you are, how you want to be perceived, and who your target audience is. Another example is, I'm launching a $20 AI t-shirt business with sarcastic quotes about artificial intelligence. My audience is 35 to 55. Professionals who love humor and make impulse buys. Write me a funny sales letter that targets my audience. Do not use any curse words, but you can use words that imply a curse word is used. You see, this sets the tone and language. Let's pull this all together. Don't just look at chat as a tool, but a money-making employee that delivers real results. Here's the real difference between broke creators and seven-figure entrepreneurs. Broke ones ask questions. Rich ones give orders. Use this 6-part formula and start commanding results, not hoping for them. Drop one money-making prompt you're going to create this week in the comments. I want to see it. And if you want more prompt formulas that produce cash, hit subscribe. The right prompt is the difference between making excuses and making money. Choose wisely.